Okay, so welcome back. Let's quickly work on our navigation bar, which is here. So basically, first thing we need to do is to drag our logo down. Okay, use the scale to K to reduce the height. So about, let's say 30. Let's just say maybe 38. You can put 38 here. Okay. Yeah. Drag this here. Okay. We need the text. Triple pay. Okay. We need to make this a bit bolder. Bold. And higher. Okay. So we align this to center and we add auto layouts to them. What's the spacing? We can make it 10. Yeah, so next we do is this text at the center here, right? So that's simply done. Hold your text again, you write home. Okay, it's too big, you can use semi-bold and reduce it to let's say 24. Okay, we put it on auto layout. Put on auto layout, then let's go to the frame. You know there were 3 inside, you just do Ctrl D and D. The one at the middle was about us. Okay, and this was products, if I'm not mistaken. Let's confirm. Yeah. So there was this kind of live state here. I mean active state here, so we could make it blue there, and the spacing seems a little bit small. Let's give it like a 16 and place that at the center. So about buttons, we've done button before, so I'll just copy this. I don't think I've shown you guys how to do this secondary button, which I'll be doing now. So let's paste uh, our button here. Okay, this is our sign up. Let's duplicate it. You hold alternate and you drag. Okay. We change this to login. Let's leave a space. Okay, so to create your skeleton button, you need to hide the fill and create a stroke. Once you create a stroke, you give it that color and you give the text the same color. Okay, so let's give them a spacing of let's say 24. Okay, and we can just group or frame them. Yeah, let's frame them. Okay, so we select this, hold shift to multi-select, and we add auto layout to all of them. Okay, yeah, I'll place that center. Is this centered? How about this? Okay, and this. Now let's check our constraints. Our constraints, we can make it left and right as well. And yeah, that's that about setting our navigation bar. Okay,